Tired of limits and watermarks on AI video generators? Well, today I'm going to show you a powerful 100% free AI tool that lets you turn simple text prompts into unlimited high-quality videos. Yes, unlimited with no watermarks, no credit limits, and no fees. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use this tool step by step, so you can start creating AI-generated videos for YouTube, Reels, or any other platform without spending anything. First, open any browser and search for Qwen AI. Click on the official Qwen AI website from the search results. Once you're on the site, you'll need to create a free account. Just click on Login and select Continue with Google. Choose any email ID from your device and your account will be created instantly. After logging in, you'll see options like image generation and video generation. Click on Video Generation to begin. You'll also be able to select your preferred video ratio. Choose 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical content like shorts and reels. Now comes the fun part. In the prompt box, type in a short description of the scene you want. Let's try something creative and new. I typed, "An astronaut floating above Earth, watching the sunrise with vibrant glowing clouds." Then I hit send and waited just a few seconds. Boom! Our video is ready. The result is stunning. You see a lone astronaut hovering in zero gravity with warm light from the sunrise hitting their helmet, and Earth's glowing curve in the background. The animation is smooth and the motion feels natural. No glitches, no watermarks, and the atmosphere looks surreal and cinematic. Let's try another one. This time I typed, "A realistic train speeding through a city at night, rain falling on glowing streets." After hitting send, the video was generated again in seconds, and let me tell you, it looks amazing. The train glides smoothly through a city filled with colorful lights and reflections, rain droplets on the lens, and motion blur that gives it a cinematic, high-tech vibe. Here's one more to show the versatility. I entered, "A peaceful old man reading a book under a cherry blossom tree in spring, petals gently falling around him." Just like before, the result was delivered quickly. You see a calm, serene scene with beautiful pink blossoms floating in the air, soft lighting, and a warm atmosphere. It honestly looks like a shot from a short film. Now, if you want to download your video, just click on the download button. It'll save directly to your device, watermark free. That's what makes this tool stand out. Most free AI generators slap on logos or limit how many videos you can create, but here you can generate as many as you want, in high quality, with full creative freedom. So whether you're making content for YouTube, storytelling videos, mood visuals, or just experimenting with AI, this tool is an absolute gem in 2025. No credits, no hidden fees. Just type your idea and let the AI bring it to life. If this helped you out, feel free to drop a comment or hit the like button to show some love. And don't forget to subscribe for more free AI tools and tutorials coming soon. Stay creative and keep making magic.